All right, we got our curved shower rod in here. It's the BRIOFOX shower curtain rod. It's got some directions here. So we got a couple of nice pieces for the curved curtain. And then we got some parts here, some that rotate. It feels like this is metal in here. Like this feels like it's stainless steel. You can hear it. These feel like they're plastic right here, but they have a nice hinge on them. So it's got the two hinge pieces and they're labeled. You got an S there and an L, and it makes a difference because these are going to be slightly different here, the sizes, so you got to make sure you put it in the right one. And then we got a little bag of screws here. This looks like it's got some drywall anchors in there, a little Allen key, and some different screws there. All right, we'll go ahead and put it up on there and see how it looks. All right, so it looks like you just unscrew the hinge here so that you can screw it into the wall there. Then you can screw this part into the wall. So you got to do that on both of them. All right. Our other curtain rod's broken, and it doesn't look like it had the two pieces. It looks like it's just the inside piece here. So this one was kind of an accident waiting to happen anyway. So we're going to go ahead and take it off of here. Probably get a level though, because I want to make sure this is as straight as possible. All right, so I'm going to line it up with a corner here. I'm going to make sure I'm level. Looks like that's where I want it right there. And so I'm going to make sure I'm level here. Looks like level's right there. I'm going to use a drywall screw here to get in there a little bit better for a pilot hole. It looks like we hit a nail. Sometimes that happens when you're drilling in there. So it has to go up a little bit. These are labeled here with an S on this side and an L on this side. Then you got your S there. And your L over here. So once you put this in, once you put these two pipes in here together, then you'll line these up on here. Your S side and your L side. That's the nice thing about these hinges. I've installed a few other curved shower rods and they never go together this easy. So these hinges make it really nice. And then we just take our little Allen key and tighten this up right here. Came with a little Allen key here so we can tighten this up. That way it's in there good. The only real problem I've had is I couldn't use the included screws because this was on a stud right here, so I had to use some different screws in there. But other than that, yeah, this looks pretty nice. Tighten this one up here too. So yeah, it looks like you can see on here this is about, what is that, 37 inches? So that gives a lot of elbow room in here. Another thing that I realized too is I put this on, it will be a lot easier to put the curtain rod on, or to put the curtain rings on. So we're going to go ahead and take this back off and put the curtain rings on. Yeah, so this was really nice to install. The only hard part was attaching this to screw this in here because it went into the stud, so I had to get some different screws for that. But I mean, this was really easy to install. But yeah, one tip, just remember, put your rings on your shower curtain before you attach this. But look at that, that's a lot of room in there. Like I said, we were at about 37 inches, maybe 36.5 inches right here. But I mean, that's a lot of elbow room. Okay, so there it is. Looks pretty nice. I went up an inch right here from the base of the shower stall. And it looks like we're just about perfect down here. It's not quite dragging on the floor there. It's just about how you want it. You see how it slides on here? With that arch there, plenty of room for the curtain rod. And there's it's got some plastic right here, some smooth plastic, so that you can drag the curtain rod over it. So that you can drag the shower curtain over it. Pretty nice. All right, well that's it for this video. I'm gonna take a shower.